In this lesson, we're talking about how to find slope, the basic slope of a line, such as this one I have graphed here on this coordinate system. So if you take a look at this line, you can notice that it passes through the origin, and as we go to the right, it increases in height. It goes up a little bit. So to describe how that changes, we use a ratio that we call the rise over the run. So I'm going to try and illustrate that in this way. So if I take the tip of the arrow back to the origin, so how far did I go to get to the point where I was just a moment ago? Well, I went over 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's the run. And then I turned the corner and went up one more, and that's the rise. So to illustrate that or show that, let's grab our little marker and just kind of write in those numbers here. So like I said, I went over 4 and up 1. So to write the slope, I just write that ratio, 1/4. And it's as simple as that. That's how you find basic slope. So let's try another one. Let's say I take the arrow, instead of going over 4 up 1, I do this. I go over 1 and I go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a really steep looking line, isn't it? Well, then to describe that or to show that, I'm just basically going to show that I went over 1 and then up 5 to get to my new location. And so the slope is the change in y over the change in x, which is 5/1. All right, so there's the slope of that. So it's basically as simple as that. Now, if we have a line that doesn't pass through the origin, then we just have to find two identifiable points on the line and do the same type of exercise to find out what the slope of the line is.